and welcome to our first YouTube video in this channel that we will be sharing a lot of information and a lot of knowledge from the real estate market in Turkey and what is happening. It's been a long time that we've been thinking to start a YouTube channel that talks about real estate market, investments in Turkey, the investment opportunities, and so many other subjects that can matter to our investors. With the President Erdogan coming back into power, we thought it is the best time to start this channel. And let's dive into it. I've been meeting a lot of clients in the past 3-4 months, and I would say that more than 50% of them weren't ready to take a buying decision in the past 3-4 months because everyone was watching what's happening in the political situation in the country, and people weren't able to make a decision into buying properties in Istanbul or in whole Turkey. So I think with the President Erdogan coming back to power, I think a lot of investors would be more interested now to invest in this country in the next 5 years. So what happened last year is that in the last May, which is exactly a year from now, the government changed the citizenship law from $250,000 to $400,000. But they gave us a period of a month or a month and a half in order to complete all the existing transactions. And if anyone who were interested to take a quick decision, we also had the chance to close the deals and help him out getting the approval for the citizenship within that month and a half. So what we've seen in that 1 month and a half is that all the people that were planning to buy in the next 3 months after June, all of them, they came and took their decisions within May. In the next 3 months after June, which is June, July, August, we really felt a decline. When we checked the statistics. And that is because all these people who were planning to buy in June, July, August, they came before the law change of the citizenship, and they made their transactions and they applied for the citizenship. And I think the opposite of this will be happening nowadays. Why? Because for the past 3-4 months, everyone was waiting for the election, because political situation in a country, no matter it is Turkey or another country, matters to foreign investors. So with Erdogan coming back into his seat, I think a lot of people would be able now to make the buying decision. So all the people that didn't buy in the 3-4 months will be coming now next month or 2 months, and they'll be making their buying decision. In the next 1 to 2 months, it is the perfect time to invest in Turkey. And that is because all the people who didn't buy in the past 3-4 months, probably they will be coming to spend their holidays and vacation in Turkey within July, August, and September. And we all know that our high season in the real estate sector starts from April, May up to October, November, and that's where a lot of people who are coming for vacations and their holidays, they end up buying either for investment or their second houses or summer houses or similar. So I think within these 2 months we will be seeing an increase of price in terms of properties, because the supply will go down and the demand will be going higher by the time, because now we have 5 years of Erdogan, and as we all know, the foreign investors are a bit comfortable with the Erdogan policies in terms of FDI, foreign direct investment. And that is why, if we don't win this opportunity to buy in the next 1 to 2 months, people will feel that there is a jump on the price in the future. I mean, people would like to invest, or they would like a second house, or they would like a summer house, or just somewhere to spend vacation. So for every type of properties or every type of need, we have, of course, areas to recommend to our clients. So in Istanbul, if we talk about investments, of course, city center and choosing the best locations are always favorable, not only in Turkey, but all over the world when it comes to real estate. So central areas such as Beşiktaş, Sarıyer, Taksim, maybe Şişli, Maslak, all the areas that are located in the downtown of Istanbul, we have a very high demand on these areas. If we go to the Asian side, maybe we can choose Beykoz, Kadıköy, Ümraniye, maybe, or Üsküdar. Those also are the central areas that exist in the Asian side. If we go to other cities, maybe some people would prefer to have their summer houses or their vacational houses outside of Istanbul, and we could recommend like Alaçatı or Çeşme that are in Izmir, Bodrum as well, where we have Yalıkavak and Gümüşlük, where we talked about it in the previous past videos on Instagram. Yalıkavak and Gümüşlük, now it's being called the Monaco of Turkey, where a lot of rich people goes there and they spend thousands of dollars on daily basis just to spend their summers. Again, in Yalıkavak, what I've been hearing is that a lot of people are buying villas in there and renting them on a daily basis, and they're making 20 to 30% of profit on a yearly basis just in the high season, because renting villas in Bodrum starts at $1,000 a day, and it goes up to $5,000 to $10,000 per day. So imagine you buy $2 million villas, let's say a million. So if you get to rent it by $30,000 in a month, within 3 to 4 months, you will be able to make a lot of profit. For people who loves the nature and the green areas and the forest, there is the Switzerland of Turkey, which is Trabzon. So of course, choosing the best areas for our client depend, of course, on them, because we need to understand the need of the client, whether it is a pure investment or an investment that he's going to use for himself, or he's going to live in it, or it's just a summer house or a vacational house. And with that, we can be able to recommend the best properties and the best areas for him. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments. And if you are more interested to know more about the Turkish real estate market insight and the property investments and the opportunities that exist in Turkey, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Of course, you can also check our Instagram page, our LinkedIn page, and we are all over the social media. This is Hamza from Prestij Consulting, and I'll be seeing you in the next video.